Have you ever opened up a package of M&Ms and thought that you didn't get enough for your money? Have you ever wondered why 4 out of 5 dentists recommend chewing Trident gum? Did you watch the election this year and ask yourself why all the polls have such large margins of error, and then even think, are they worthwhile since they have these margins of error? Do you find it alarming that there's almost a 70% chance that there's going to be a major earthquake in San Francisco sometime in the next 50 years? If so, AP Stat is the class for you. Even if these questions don't plague you, but you find them somewhat interesting, class is still for you. Trust me on this. My name is Mr. Nichols. I teach and run the AP Stat program here at Pikesville High School. And in this day and age, the majority of you that are attending this AP virtual fair will attend some form of higher education, whether it's a four-year college, a community college, tech school, doesn't matter, you're going to need statistics. So whether or not you take it in high school, doesn't matter what your major is, you're going to take it. So my question to you is, why not take it now? Save yourself some money, or at least go in prepared so when you do actually take it for college credit, you can say, oh yeah, that makes sense because I already took this class once. You don't have to be a prodigy in math to be successful in this class. You merely just have to have credits in Algebra 2 and Geometry. This is a math course like no other. You actually are given the chance to explore real-life problems, real-life situations that actually exist today, unlike most of the math classes that you've already had. AP Stat combines reading, writing, and the art of argument with math as the basis. This course follows a path through 4 major themes: exploring descriptive statistics, experimental design, the study of probability, and statistical inference. I won't cover up the truth for you, but in order to be successful in this course, you have to make a large investment of time. But through my experience and growth within this program, I've confirmed that the majority of students that take this class invest their time with pleasure. They truly like this class. Just ask them. There's currently about 50 students taking this course. The first theme, which is based on the analysis of descriptive statistics, taps into ideas that you've already explored in your algebra courses, making box plots, histograms, calculating linear regression models, stuff you've already done just at a higher level. The second theme, based on the effective design of experiments and studies, connects you even more to the real world. Putting mathematics and calculations aside, you take scientific questions and design approaches to gain insight on these questions. The best part is you may design a study that's completely different than one of your classmates, but it may be just as effective. Theme 3 is based on probability and chance process, and it's a concept that many of you will find applicable to your everyday lives. The Baltimore Ravens are projected to win against the Cleveland Browns. What are the chances of this actually happening? Based on the applicant pool, do you have a good chance of getting into college? If you flip a fair coin 10 times, will it really land on heads 5 times? These are questions that you can explore in this theme. Lastly, and definitely the most interesting, is the final theme, which is based on statistical inference. I'm sure you've heard in the past, General Mills states that Cheerios will lower cholesterol. Is this true? Through this theme, theme 4, statistical inference, we can reject or confirm this claim. And then we can even go as far to contact Cheerios and say this claim is bogus. Do you want to go to college knowing what reality actually is? Wouldn't it be nice to walk into a higher education facility and say, I already have credits for introductory stat, or at least know what you're doing? I can get you there. If you take my course, follow my rules, and complete the process the way I present it to you, you can be successful, even if you're not the strongest math student. So keep it in mind. If you have any questions, I'm in room 118.